Excellent. If you've made it to this video, that proves 3 things about you. You are open-minded, you are interested in innovation, and you are curious about this new technology. Perfect. And whether you are brand new to the idea of currency trading, or you are a seasoned professional, you are in the right place at the right time. Now, if you are brand new, don't worry. We are going to break everything down for you and give you enough information to make a decision and get started. However, if you are already a pro, you are going to need to keep an open mind, because many of the strategies used in the Ryze.Ai platform are brand new. So let's get started. Ryze.Ai is a brand new algorithm-driven artificial intelligence platform that has been in development for 10 years, created by a French mathematician and teams of highly skilled programmers. It utilizes a unique and proprietary strategy that is effective and proven. It was not, however, until approximately 5 years ago that the supercomputing power was available to run the program in the real world of currency trading. Why? Because not only is this marketplace the largest in the world, trading over $5.4 trillion every day, it is also one of the most complex. And until recently, computers just couldn't handle the sheer number of calculations per milliseconds required to execute trades at the speed that was required for significant profits. To give you an idea in the advancement of supercomputers and the amazing advances in technology, just look at this chart. In November of 2015, the world's fastest computer was clocked at an insane 38.6 petaflops, or pflops for short. That is 38.6 to the power of 15 operations per second. In June of 2016, just 7 months later, the new record nearly tripled to 93 pflops per second. That is the kind of supercomputing power we're talking about. That's the kind of power needed for an algorithm of this magnitude. Exactly what was needed for Ryze.Ai. And after years of development and testing with some of the most brilliant minds in the computing world, including A-list developers from Silicon Valley, it is not only ready, but already proven. The heart of the Ryze.Ai platform is our proprietary algorithm. An algorithm is defined as a self-contained sequence of actions to perform calculation, data processing, and automated reasoning tasks. The algorithm of Ryze.Ai is a closely guarded proprietary formula that utilizes not one, but multiple strategies simultaneously. And while we cannot publish the exact strategy or specific sequencing, we can show you some of the building blocks and explain how they work. The first is called arbitrage. Arbitrage is defined as the practice of taking advantage of a price difference between 2 or more markets, striking a combination of matching deals that capitalize upon the imbalance, the profit being the difference between the market prices. Arbitrage is present when there is an opportunity to instantaneously buy low and sell high. The key there? Instantaneously. But even more importantly, simultaneously, meaning that the platform generates profits when the market is up or down. In fact, historically, the most dynamically profitable days have occurred when there is the most volatility, simultaneously having long and short positions, using the speed of supercomputers to execute both buys and sells instantaneously. Not a broker wondering if today's news is going to make the Japanese yen go up or down. Not a day trader with a feeling that the peso is going to fall. But a supercomputer and an intelligent algorithm formula that doesn't need to sleep, take a coffee break, or rely on hunches. Just pure speed, pure logic, with no emotions, no greed. But arbitrage is just one of the strategies we employ. Ryze.Ai also utilizes wave theory trade patterns, high-frequency trades, cluster trades, and inventory-focused trades. And because we utilize a multitude of the world's most advanced cloud servers with redundant sites in every time zone, no downtime and no missed opportunities. Another one of our core strategies is money management. What does that mean? Well, think about it like this. Imagine you went into a casino with $1,000 in your pocket. You really have 2 options. Place that whole amount on one bet, which sure, if you won, would be a great payout, but ridiculously risky. Or play multiple games, small amounts, and spread the risk around, while never being in the position to lose it all. Look, here's the bottom line. We are not, and Ryze.Ai was not developed with a gambler's mentality. Ryze.Ai is all about cautious, consistent, diligent discipline It's not about swinging for the fences, but rather high-frequency, small contract trading to close profits. That is the long game. That is why on any given day, only about 5 to 30% of the principal is actively exposed in the market. Now, some professional traders may roll their eyes on this strategy, and that's fine. But remember, in the tortoise and the hare race, the tortoise wins. Now, you may be asking yourself why you haven't heard of this kind of platform. Or maybe you've heard some examples or news about artificial intelligence in trading, and there are some examples in the marketplace. But here's the difference. To even be considered as a participant, the starting investment is $250,000 or more. A very small, elitist group of investors have had such opportunities. But let's face it, if you had that kind of money to invest, you'd probably be on your own yacht in the Mediterranean and not watching this video. And while the creators of Hodo Global are considered to be some of the most knowledgeable and successful entrepreneurs of their time, they realized that the real power of this technology platform was creating a way for everybody to win, not just the good old boy network. And that is why, after reviewing dozens of business models and strategies to take Ryze.Ai to market, they chose direct sales, a proven business model that has been adopted by the Fortune 500, mainstream America, and even business tycoons like Sir Richard Branson and Warren Buffett. Why? Because it works. The direct sales model also gives you the option to be paid if you like your results and want to refer other people. Just like Uber paid people $15 every time they referred a friend, we also compensate people for referring friends. And to make that a reality for people, they created a business model that allows for people to participate in Ryze.Ai for an unheard of initial deposit. Not $250,000, not $100,000, but only $500. Here's how it works. To participate in the Ryze.Ai platform, you first purchase a subscription from Hodo Global, the worldwide exclusive provider of the Ryze.Ai platform. Next, you decide how much you plan to deposit. The monthly subscription is based on the amount you deposit. It's kind of like your internet provider. With your basic internet service, you pay one fee. But if you want more speed, i.e. more bandwidth, you pay slightly more. Then, you will be sent to a link to create an official brokerage account with an independent third-party firm. You will be required to submit online standard KYC documents. These are official papers used by businesses to identify and verify the identity of its clients. Then, after your paperwork has been approved, you will make your initial deposit directly with the broker. This is very important. At no time will you deposit funds to Hodo Global or with any partner or associate of Hodo. The financial arrangement is between you and the broker. You retain 100% control of your funds at all times. You can deposit or withdraw any or all of your money at any time. You are in complete control, and your results are completely confidential. In fact, Hodo cannot access or even see your deposits at any time. We have very strict compliance. Your privacy and security are paramount. Now, legally, we must state that past results do not guarantee future earnings, and that is true. But I want you to ask yourself a question. What if? Now, if a minimum $500 initial deposit scares you, then this is probably not for you. But whether you are a complete novice or a seasoned pro, this is the next big thing. You are in the right place at the right time. And you have finally found a way to put your money to work while you sleep. So what are you waiting for? Start creating financial security for your family today. Get started now. Click on the link to take the next step and purchase your Ryze.AI subscription today.